Hi, I'm Noah, and today I'm going to tell you how you can upgrade RAM yourself. RAM is virtual memory, which is basically used by your computer for short-term operations, as opposed to your hard drive, which is used to store data on a long-term basis. So upgrading your RAM can make your computer perform much faster. To find out how much RAM you have, just go to Start and then Control Panel. Now just double-click on the System icon. Here on the bottom, it will tell you what your processor is and how much RAM you have. Here are 2 gigabytes. Now if you're looking to buy additional RAM though, this information won't be enough because there are several different types of RAM and you'll need to find out which type is right for you. For this, you can go to www.crucial.com with your web browser and run a system scan, which will tell you what kind of memory you have and what kind of memory your motherboard will be able to take if you buy a new one. Once you finish the scan, it will tell you your current system configuration with how much RAM you have in each slot. And if you go below, you can see exactly what kind of memory can be held by your motherboard. Here, DDR-PC 2700 or DDR-PC 3200. So if you're going to buy additional RAM, make sure that it fits the correct type. Crucial.com will even let you order the recommended RAM right from their website in the scan results. So this is often the easiest way to proceed. But you can buy it from pretty much any online store or any physical store in your neighborhood. Once you've purchased your RAM, you'll need to insert it into your computer. But first, before touching the inside of your computer, make sure you unplug it completely. Now, to remove one of your old RAM cards, simply unclip the white clippings at the end by pulling them away from the card, and then gently pull on it to remove it. Now take your newly purchased RAM and insert it into your empty slot. To do this, gently push the card into the slot while bringing the white clippings back into place towards the RAM card.